Hello, so let's get started. Come a little bit closer. This is a blue and baby pink look. This is done for a contest on Instagram. Let's start. Let's start with priming the eye. This is the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. I will go ahead. All the whole look will be out of this palette, the BPerfect Carnival III Tahiti. This is a collaboration between Stacy Marie and BPerfect. First eyeshadow will be this shade here, Sand, just as a base to prime the lid. Just a little bit of this shade in here, this way. We're done. Next one will be Twilight, this purpley magenta, no, non so, I don't know. And this shade will go on the upper lid. I need my mirror. Where is it? Just blend it. Oh, this is too dark now. I just pick it up a clean brush just to smooth down the eyeshadow because it's too pigmented. Hope we can remove a little bit of color. Then we will go ahead with the navy blue, that it's called the Deep, in the inner corner, in the lower corner in here. This is the shade, and I will apply with a very small brush. This is from Heartitude, and we will go little by little in the corner, on the outer V, in the crease, upwards. So this will take a little bit of time actually. You need time to blend and to put the eyeshadow in place. I think this shade of the palette, it's a little bit patchy. It's not so easy to work with. Blue shade, I think I always like purple. They are always a little bit difficult. This shade too is. I had a little bit of patchiness while applying the eyeshadow on my other eye, but I mean it means that you need a little bit more time to work with this color, but you can work with them. Just keep in mind that they need a little bit more effort. Maybe start with a small quantity and then go ahead adding. Okay, so let me see if they are almost similar. Maybe a little bit more in the crease, but we will add a little bit later again. So just blend outside, and we will be back with this shade. Next we will go ahead with two pink. One is Pearl, this pink here, and the other one is rose pink. Yes, rose pink. That is a gold rose gold shade. Rose pink will be next to the blue, and Pearl will be in the inner corner. Okay, we can go back with the blue now, just to blend everything together. I was quite sure that I have a matte eyeliner, blue, metallic blue. I can find it. So okay, just let me add a swipe of this shade, the Twilight one. So I found this gel liner, this cake liner, sorry. I will apply a very thin line near my lashes. This cake liner, I think is from AliExpress. There's no label. And then I will go up above with the blue, the deep, on top to darken this one a little bit because it's too light. If you hear knocking, it's the dog that now he is inside and he wants to go outside in the garden, but 5 minutes ago he was outside and he was knocking to get inside. That's the story of my day, all the day like this. So I do not have any baby pink eye pencil, so I'm using this pencil. This is not a pencil, this is a shadow stick from from Beauty Bay. This is the collaboration with Disney, and this is from Alice in Wonderland. It's called Tongue. I mean, it's Tongue. It's a little bit too red actually, but I do not have anything lighter. So I will apply a little bit of mascara. This is the Black Mamba from Mulak. As you know, maybe you don't, Mulak is an Italian indie brand by a YouTuber. So this is the first layer of mascara I'm applying. And as I was saying a few videos ago, I think this is a volumizing mascara. Next one is from Kiko, from a limited edition, from a limited collection, the Dolce Vita, maybe. No, I'm not sure actually. The Charming Escape collection. So here is the look. I have a little bit of blue fallout under my eye. Let's try to clean a little bit. And that's it. What's on my face? I have the Facefinity All Day Face Primer from Max Factor. This is a very old one. I have my Huda Beauty foundation in 120B Vanilla. I have my Morphe 2 concealer, my She Glam Soft Tan Sun Sculpting Contour Shade. My highlighter is from the Charming Escape Golden Sunbeam. It looks like it is very dark in the pan, but it's not so dark on the face. The Glam Shop Peachy Blush, my Mulak contour shade in Hypno, my Illamasqua loose powder in translucent, and I think that's it. Okay, my eyebrow with the things I do not like a lot is this She Glam eyebrow pencil. You also have an eyebrow mascara, but I do not like it because it's too red. On my lips I have the Kiko lip pencil in 310 and my Marc Jacobs lipstick that you know I'm panning, so you can see I'm quite progressing in this one. And everything else you have seen on camera, so I like just a little bit of spray to fix the makeup, and we are done. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up and comment something on here below, and see you soon. Bye guys.